So that's a quick look at our 2019 Chevrolet Impala. Of course, the Impala has a long history of being a reliable vehicle as well as a comfortable and powerful one with that very capable V6 engine. It is certified pre-owned. It has no previously reported accidents. As well, it is just loaded with so many cool features and fun technology that will keep you comfortable, safe, and entertained when you're out there on the roads. So if you would like to set up a test drive, visit us online at ontariomotorsales.com. Reach out to us by text or phone and come experience the vehicle for yourself and see if it fits your lifestyle. Thanks so much for taking the time and watching this video, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Hi there, Ali here at Ontario Motor Sales with one of our newest arrivals, this 2019 Chevrolet Impala. This is loaded with goodies. It has a extremely capable 3.6 liter V6 engine, which allows you to accelerate easily on the highway. It has an incredibly spacious trunk, so if you have golf clubs, strollers, hockey bags, larger items are definitely not going to be a problem in this trunk. It is certified pre-owned, so it does come with all the full benefits of that program. It is part of the 10th generation Impala, so they have perfected it. Also on the inside, we have so many goodies, so let's just take a closer look. Starting in the rear seats, you can see it is very clean. It's been well maintained. It is a previous rental, so it has had a rigorous maintenance schedule. Also 120 volt power outlet, and it is keyless access. I love this feature. It just means that you can keep your remote fob in your pocket or purse, making it handy. Also power seats and nice gray leather interior. And of course that panoramic sunroof, who doesn't love that? A nice 7-inch color touch screen, giving you access to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and of course you do have Bluetooth for phone and audio streaming right on your steering wheel. And my favorite feature, heated steering wheel, a must in Canada, along with the heated seats for driver and passenger, and you do have that dual zone climate control as well. Two of my favorite features are actually the ease of access getting into the Impala. It's not like your typical sedan where you fall into the bucket seats. This is actually a nice, gradual, easy to maneuver into the vehicle. And my second favorite feature is this. Check this out. Press this button and bam, you have a secret compartment with a USB outlet for wallet, sunglasses, whatever you want to store in there and keep nice and safe and secure.